A massive 5-meter python is captured by a troop of baboons. Dozens of baboons viciously tear into the serpent's flesh. Agonizing pain forces the giant snake to writhe and thrash. But the baboon family shows no mercy to this monster. It just strangled one of their own. For revenge, they will shred it to pieces. Yet, tragedy strikes again. The very next day, a new crisis quietly descends. A foraging predator trespasses into their territory, targeting a lone baby. It snatches the infant and runs, but the piercing screams summon the entire troop. They swiftly encircle the predator, blocking its escape. Facing the massive troop, the Hound doesn't flinch. Instead, it launches a bold offensive. It viciously mauls a baboon, trying to intimidate the rest of the members. As an apex predator, a 70-kilo hound boasts a bone-crushing bite force rivaling a lion's. It easily pierces baboon flesh and grinds bones to dust. Even zebras are on its menu. However, facing an enemy twice their size, the baboons remain fearless. They deploy exhaustive tactics, taking turns attacking the predator. Having slaughtered a giant python yesterday, they dismiss this lone threat. Fierce primates, male baboons weigh up to 45 kilos with razor-sharp canines. Armed with immense strength, high intelligence, and lethal teamwork. A pack might pose a threat, but a lone intruder is committing suicide. Baboons live in tightly knit clans of at least 20 members. When invaded, adult males charge first, tearing into the enemy's limbs. Soon, the rest of the troop joins the brutal fray. But this ruthless predator fights dirty, locking its jaws onto a single baboon. Surrounded by foes, it executes a desperate strategy: kill the leader. Hoping to strike fear into the troop and force them to retreat. Within minutes, a brave male baboon falls to the predator's lethal jaws. Losing another family member pushes the troop into absolute fury. They swarm the beast, viciously ripping its flesh apart in a matter of seconds. Covered in wounds, the predator lets out a piercing, agonizing whimper. It thrashes wildly to escape, but every struggle invites more lethal bites. Minutes later, its struggles cease. Its lifeless body collapses onto the dirt. Its arrogance paid in full with its own life. Through courage and unity, the baboons once again defend their clan's honor. This duel of life and death echoes the relentless, brutal nature of the African savanna.